everybody, I'm Sandy Aron.
Hi, I'm Jeremy Aron. Hey, this is our very first show of Nature's Highway. We started a new channel. Like I said, I've got an old hunting channel, but this is one that's totally different. It's one that we want to travel, get outdoors, and hopefully we can encourage some of y'all to give y'all some ideas.
Of how you can travel without breaking the bank.
That's right. You know, we're going on a budget. Here's our sort of setup. We're going to show a little bit of it. But we're finna load up this morning. It's just a day trip. Our first trip's going to be a day trip. We're going to Smith Lake.
Well, and Nature's Highway is dealing with water, of course. I don't know if you thought about that or not, but we're wanting to explore our rivers and waterways around the United States. And like I said, our first one here we're in Mississippi, and it's just over in Alabama, a couple-hour drive. Just see how it goes, make sure we got everything we need. Kind of a test run.
Yeah, so we're finna load up and hit the road. Let's go. Come with us.
Okay, so we were heading out on our trip. Had to find Jeremy's sunglasses first, and then I guess we got about 5 miles from the house and we realized we didn't have our core pass, which is like it's a little decal, hangs on your mirror to give you access to all the boat ramps. So we turn around and we're heading back home to get that. And I said, well, is there anything else we forgot? And that's when he realized I don't have my cell phone. So,
But we're getting there.
Mr. Organized over here usually has a checklist and got everything down pat, but we were a little excited to get off. We're just trying to get out and get going before it gets too hot. We want to get on the lake and just really enjoy it for a little bit, because we've had heat indexes of well over 100 this week. It's been pretty hot in Mississippi. I saw something on Facebook last night that said, you know, it's pretty dang hot when, what did I tell you? When you see a bird blow off the worm before blew off the worm before we picked it up. So it's hot in Mississippi.
All right, what we gonna do?
Well, we are in a little town here. We're supposed to run to the grocery store and get us some sandwich stuff in case we get hungry later. We need some ham and bologna or some bread and some chips, because I gotta have chips.
All right, so let's go get her and get some snacks here. All right, y'all. Hey, on our way on our trip over here, we seen it.
Seen the sign.
Seen a sign of it. It said Natural Bridge. So we stopped and we come back by here. I would recommend, if you're close to this area, come look at it.
You need to come see it. It's very, very beautiful. There's an Indian face on the side of one of the rocks. As you're walking up, you see that first, and then you walk on around the path and you come to the rock bridge, and that's what it is. It's a natural bridge. And we just read the sign, and I mean, I'm gonna let you wait and read it too, but basically this was all under seawater at one time, and when the waters receded, it washed away all this and it left this natural stone bridge there out of some kind of ore, what they call it, something ore. Anyway, this place is beautiful. So, natural bridge.
Here it is.
There it is. Oh.
Mama,
I have hit every friggin' spider web. Oh my God.
Somebody don't like spider webs.
I hate spider webs. Pretty cringe. Another creepy movie.
Look at the water coming out of it. Listen.
There's a big limb just fell. I thought we were goners. The bridge coming down or something. Oh. Crazy.
Yeah, this eroded out from under. So, hey, there's stops like this all in this country, y'all, that folks just drive right by.
You see a sign and it says, you know,
something
a
natural.
Monument or a historical marker or something. Stop and see what it is.
Especially a natural.
Yeah, this is natural. Every bit of this was.
So.
Beautiful, beautiful. Nature's highway.
All right, we got our first time we finna launch our boat. on Nature's Highway here. Oh, we got it to ourselves. See the parking lot up here? There's nobody here.
Empty.
But there look like there's a lot of houses, private ground off of it, and they got beach houses or
Cabin rental.
cabin, and we got weekend cabin and stuff. They come here, so let's get them unloaded. Let's go have some fun. How clear this water is. I don't know if you can see how clear that water is. Around home, you don't get a lot of that. You get a lot of rock around here.
Videoing me videoing?
Yeah. Pretty unique here. We've got a rock ledge come out. As you can tell, this is softer material under it. It's done eroding away and leaving this hard rock face. Now this is what I like. Get away from all these houses.
Yeah.
Look up here.
There's a dog over here. Where's the dog at?
Got to be a house or something up there. They done hurt us, ain't they?
They hurt us.
Here's a place we can eat snack. On the rock right there.
Nope. My shoe coming off. And it's muddy. Where we all sit? In the mud? What if there's a bug under it?
Is there what?
What if there's a bug under it? Or a snake? Where's my table?
I don't know what it looked like. Found your waterfall.
That is not. Now, how do I get off of it?
Come right here. Yeah, come on. Let's keep on coming up to me.
Okay, does somebody not need to hold my hand?
You big girl.
No.
You got your life vest on.
You ain't got no life insurance on me. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Okay, I'm up here. Are you happy?
Don't worry about the waterfall.
Why do I gotta get by the waterfall? It was cold.
You gotta get in it. Just get it.
Oh, it is cold.
There's an outdoor shower.
Natural outdoor shower. Now, Jerry, you sit down in there and slide right down the slide they got me.
What do you think about this?
Well, it's pretty neat. We're just driving down through there, and all of a sudden, Jeremy puts the brakes on and spins around and literally goes between two rocks. Wouldn't probably 8 feet wide, maybe, and come up in here, and it's just a little hidden cove-like thing. But folks have found it. They've got a ladder. That's how we climbed up on the rock. There's even a big rope hanging from that tree. You'll probably see Jeremy jumping, falling off of that tree, off of that rope in a little while. They got us a little waterfall. First one we've seen. But it's really amazing. They're just how old this rock is. I mean, you just look at all the ridges in it and the places where the water has washed it away. It's changed colors. There's a weird animal over there under that rock staring at me. I think it's a frog. A really big.
Sandy likes to watch a lot of scary movies, so she said this looks like a scary place.
This looks like a scary movie. You know, a B one, all 100%. Something's going to happen to us. But it is beautiful. It is beautiful. 10 degrees cooler in here than it is out there on the lake. But pretty neat. One of nature's highways.
It is. It just goes up into nature here.
Yep. You got to take them to find out where they lead.
All right, crank up. I believe we done made it about as far as we can go, ain't we?
I went over a couple of rocks back there.
Yeah. Don't think about that jet sucking in. It don't. You just scoot right over them rocks. We finally got to where it's running up here, though.
Look at that pretty fish. Okay, I'm stuck.
Yeah, I think as far as we can go. I can turn around. Let me get this. Turn your nose around. No.
I'm trying to turn around now. Oh, hit another one.
That's it's gonna be deeper over there. Yeah, get your motor back that way.
Oh, here's a big rock.
Turn around here. So I guess we went as far as we can up it. Turn around and go back now. Seen some very pretty things up through here though. Unique rock formations. That's what we made it all the way. Got in the shallow water and we turned around and started taking a break. And head back.
Well, we finished our first trip.
Yeah, first adventure. We basically Nature's Highway. We went up on Smith Lake here. Went up. I guess that's Sipsey Creek or Brush Creek was the other way.
Brushy Creek was the other way.
So-
Sipsey Creek was one way.
So we went way up it. And like I said, it's a big difference from all these houses and the houseboats and docks. And like I said, folks like that have a lot of fun that way. But after we got on past all the houses, that's when it got pretty
It
dust.
got really pretty.
So
Like sheer rock walls along the sides. And
yeah, so like I said, y'all seen it. Like I said, that was
Yeah.
just beautiful. If you ever thought you want to do something like that, hey, this wasn't 2 hours and 15 minutes from our house.
From our house.
We've
Never
heard of
been
Smith
over
Lake.
here.
Never been over here. And it cost $4 a boat, but basically vehicle pass to put in here.
Yep.
We got these boats. We finna travel as much as we can all over the country to find places like this. And hey,
See this pretty world.
yep. It's like I said, nature highways. These river systems get you up into nature. Hope you like it. Give us a thumbs up. Hey, subscribe. We're a new channel. We need subscribers to get it on up to where the might pay our way. So
That's right. Let us know if you like something. If not, just join us next time.
yeah, like I said, leave us a comment. Leave a comment about what you like, didn't like. Where would you like for us to go?
Yeah.
Hey, we're finna head out and
Tell us about your waterways.
Yeah.
Maybe you got some really great places we haven't been to yet.
see you next time.